giant chessboard in a mess. People were just playing now. Here's the checkerboard, blue and yellow, but the chessboard is white and black. White checker pieces, black checker pieces. There's another checker piece that got there. So actually, I pretty much can use this, let's say this white queen or queen, this white queen, and I can pretty much tear down this, I can tear this, what's it called? This checker piece tower. Here's the checker pieces. Let me show you the ceiling fan again. See, look. Pool cue. If any of you guys watch WWE, this kind of reminds me of a kendo stick. See how long it is? The pool cue. It's really deadly if you hit somebody hard with it. So you got stripes and you got solid balls here. And now I'm trying to be perverted by saying balls. Okay? So there's crimson, there's red, there are like 3 balls down here. There we go. And here's the foosball table.